Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. On a daily time frame chart, recently Bitcoin Cash has broken out a very long-term down channel, and this is the channel by the way. You can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this channel since after the month of March 2024. We had a bounce here, we had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and this was a fake out from this channel. Then we had another bounce, then we got another rejection, and finally the price line has broken out the resistance of this channel. And now we are trying to break out this long-term resistance of $350. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that this $350 had been previously breaking as a support here, and before that, here it was breaking as a support, and here as a resistance, and here as a resistance as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a resistance for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared, by the way, in the month of July on 17th of July 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish versus shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on, and this was a stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying on and rallied beyond the sell target line. This was almost 11% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash, and first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this channel, and finally we have broken out the resistance. On the daily time frame chart, you can see that for a while it was moved above this long-term resistance of $350. But again, it is moved down, and now we need to break it out once again. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it is still trying to break out this resistance of $350. That is, by the way, a quite long-term resistance. Previously, it was breaking as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here, and support here, resistance almost here as a resistance as well. And here for a few weeks it has been breaking as a resistance. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. However, after the breakout, the technical target for this breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $700. And from $700 to $800, by the way, we have a very long-term resistance on that had been previously breaking as a resistance on here, resistance here, and resistance here. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, again the price line was rejected by this resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. Now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.